Hey everyone, welcome to another West Virginia Hatfield McCoy trail riding video. I know it's been a while since I've uploaded a video from West Virginia, but stay tuned. We'll be catching up on all that content I promised you in the past and just haven't gotten around to uploading. We got a lot of awesome content from various trips to West Virginia, so stay tuned.
Big rocks. Wouldn't want to hit that.
Make sure you check out all the other videos on our YouTube channels, Adrenaline Junkie Prod, this channel, and our secondary channel, Adrenaline Junkie Project. And while you're there, please subscribe. Also, follow us on Instagram and on Facebook. If you enjoy the videos, please share them online on social media with your friends, and check out our Shopify store for some cool swag. Hold on, it's going to be a wild ride. We're going to try and keep up with Greg in front of us. He's riding a 2016 900S, and it's going to give this Razor Turbo a run for its money.
Was he ripping it with you?
Huh?
Was he ripping it?
Yeah, it went pretty good.
He's a good rider. Turn on the back camera maybe. I don't think it's on.
take a wrong turn.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, lots of those.
Man, all y'all from West Virginia must know how to ride. Woo! This is awesome. I'm hitting the crest of the second one. I wonder what they must feel like in his razor. Like, what the fuck?
All an ass. He also doesn't have any dust.
Yeah.
But yeah, he's not giving a shit.
Same scenario there, eh? That would have been like a wheel repair. You guys can't tell how crazy this is. Like, man, oh man, that was awesome.
Yeah, that was epic.
Oh yeah.
Woo!
That's what I signed up for.
That was awesome.
Okay, we make the cut. Let's see who's next.
Yeah.
Oh, looks like it's just us.
Oh man, that was good.
Man, were you bottoming out? Like, I was jumping those crests and I was landing on the other crest with my front wheels. I bottomed out twice.
Yeah, I guess. His might not want to jump as much, right? So
Yeah.
remember how like your 900 wouldn't want to take off?
No, you're right. It was more. This is more.
Did you get a
bouncy.
couple bottom outs?
Yeah, oh yeah.
Yeah,
you
front
probably
wheels?
pretty
I
hard.
hit it wrong and just.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's too short. What's happening is you're hitting the crest.
Woo!
Now that's what I signed up for, man.
Yeah.
I had to pass everybody.
Oh, you got around everyone?
Everybody. I passed them one by one.
Oh, wow, good for you. That's awesome. Did you guys see the other people coming down the trail there?
Yeah, I hit them. I slammed my brakes.
I warned them.
She went
I
right
said
and
there's
then
another group, but they just kept going.
I just smoked her front tire. Wham! She's like, you okay? Yeah.
Whoa, you hit her? You should ride with him.
I need some air. Like, something.
Oh, you pop it?
Oh, there's still a little there.
Whoa, how was that? Dude, you should fucking held up with us on that one. Where were you?
I scared the out of myself.
Did you bottom out?
Tire
Yeah.
came off the edge.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, did
So
I?
when we went, you know that one where you kind of come over and it's like a hill and turns?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Did you see the huge rock on the one?
So I was in full drive, my whole back end slid off, and it was like
That was the same one we drifted out on. The rear end kicked out. There was like a puddle.
Flat, eh? Yeah, I know. I need some air.
I didn't
He's
stop
got
for
it.
a beer last time, so.
That was a good one.
That was fun.
Yeah, I bet you got a lot of dust back there.
There's a lot of dust. It's my fucking windshield.
I couldn't see. As soon
Oh, geez.
I'm completely blind.
You know when we were going up that hill, all those little jumps? I jumped from one right to the next.
Oh yeah, yeah. We got right off a couple times.
So what do we got here? 15, 20? Where do we want to go?
I don't know. I know I need air in my Oh, do you?
Hey guys, how's it going? Free Bob.
Where's Bob?
Free Bob, he's in there, I guess.
Empties.
Yeah.
Bob's got a lot of empties.
Oh, yeah. What's in there?
I think it's all mine.
This is how they got into
They
it?
probably fill it in.
Oh, it was probably,
Yeah, really low.
Yeah.
circle.
They fill in the entranceway, right?
It might just be
Don't
a.
want no one in there.
Oh, they're pretty. They're pretty serious about this, eh?
Yeah. Okay, hook up the winches, boys.
Yeah, yeah, sure.
Oh, I bet you I could.
I would go through that top one. These ones right here.
It's like a mouse, man.
This one. This looks like the biggest.
Oh, with that nice slicer comes sticking out of there. Like
Yeah,
a
the
square
corner
edge.
here. Yeah.
If my head would fit.
This would be a cool picture to line up like the side by sides and just
Free
get a
Bob.
shot. Yeah, free Bob.
We were hauling ass.
Oh, we were hauling ass. Your dad's a fucking monster out there. Imagine him in a turbo.
Yeah. I mean, like he was almost losing us in the 900.
He doesn't
No.
want it. He doesn't like that
Yeah.
chassis.
Yeah.
And
He doesn't need it, but judging by that drive.
Him with suspension.
yeah, for that stuff, our machines are amazing.
Yeah.
The XPs are.
You see the bump and you don't let off.
You just decide how fast you want to hit it.
If I let off, it gets
Some of them are.
I let off on some of the crests because I don't like
must-
landing.
we
Are
got-
you
we got
two-wheel drive or four in that?
This is our like.
Well,
I was in four for that one. Yeah.
Okay.
Where you from?
Two? Yeah. Usually I ride in two, but they keep saying to slip it into four so I don't bust my tires apart.
like mine?
Yeah.
I'm gonna stop and get gas.
Where you guys from?
Southern Ontario.
Canada, yeah.
Good ride, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
14 hours. Yeah. Well, 16 for us because we got a blown transmission in Pittsburgh.
Did a 9 or 10.
Yeah, ours was 10 and a half or something.
Four-wheelers.
And Josh and this is the normal part of your group out there?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Hopefully they're fine.
There's like two packs, the Psychos and the Normals.
Thanks for checking out another one of our videos. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you check out our channel for more action. And don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.